friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So we are having today a new topic, that is on money. If we talk about money, that is the most important crucial part of our daily life, because money is involved in everywhere, in our eating, spending, buying, and we all know we always require money to do any activity outside around. Okay, so let's discuss what we are having in money and what we are going to learn about it. So in this chapter, we will learn the currency, that is coins and notes, conversion of rupee into paise, addition, multiplication, the amount of money in words and figures, conversion of paise into rupee, and subtraction. So these are the operations which we are going to solve. Now come to our next part, that is okay. So here we are having a picture, and there are something just like they are eating in a restaurant type place. So let's see. Okay, here we are having Nana and Priya had gone to a bakery shop for an eat out. Okay. After finishing their items, they were each given a bill for the items they had ordered. Okay. Can you find out the sum of that each one paid? Okay. Let's pick the bill. I will solve the bill of Nana. You will find out the bill of Priya. So here we are having the pizza is for 120, cold drink is for 60, and pastry is of 30. If we add these, we are having 0, this is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 1, we will carry 1. So we are having 2. So the bill of Nana is 210 rupees in total. Okay, now move to our next part, that is our currency. If we talk about the currency, currency is the money which every country is going to use for the transactions. Yeah. So here we are having currency in the form of coins and notes, but today we are having digital portals for these transactions. So we can say that we have card money also, that is credit cards and debit cards, and electronic transfers just like Paytm, Google Pay. So we have to talk about the coins and notes only. So coins and notes in VOC are as follows. So coins, the paise coins are of 1 paise, 2 paise, 5 paise, 10 paise, 25 paise, okay, and 50 paise. These are the coins which we used in earlier times, but they are not in our circulation, in our economy in today's time. Yeah. So next we are having coins in rupees are of 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, and 5 rupee coin. These are today's coin which we are going to use for the purchase and sale of some items. So now we are having notes. If we talk about the notes in rupees of denomination, so we have 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 20 rupees, 50 rupees, 100 rupees, and 500 rupees, 2000 rupees notes. But 2000 rupees notes is not in our day-to-day circulation. It is before some time we use 2000 rupees note, but it is out of circulation now. Okay, so here we are having another topic, that is amount of money in words and figures. So if we see, we are having some symbols for rupees and paise. Let's discuss it. To represent paise, we use the symbol P for this purpose. 35 paise is written as 35p, and paise is for small p is written on the right of the amount in paise. So if we are going to show this is 35 paise or 50 paise, so we write the number here just like this 30, and we put a p on the right side. Yeah. After that we are having another currency, that is rupees. Rupees are denoted by symbol this, and 60 rupees is expressed as rupees 60. This rupee sign is written to the left of the amount in rupees. If we want to show the rupee sign, so we will use just like this, and we will use it on the left side. For paise, we will use on the right side. Clear? Next is When both rupees and paise are to be returned, we put a dot between rupees the left and the paise on the right of the dot. If you see, we are having 36.7. This is rupees. So if we talk about this right side, this is for paise and this is for rupees. Okay. Okay, after that we are having some questions. Let's do it. Now we are having our exercise that is 8A, and here we are having question number 1. Write the following amounts of money in words. Okay. So we can say that let's pick question number 1A part. Okay, so here we are having 30 rupees in 60 paise. So we are going to write in words that is 30 rupees, sorry, and 60 paise. Clear? Okay, come back to our question. That is question number 2. Write the following amount of money in figures. Okay. So we can use it just like 40 paise. If we talk about F part, this is 60 rupees and 6 paise. So this is rupees sign 60.6. Clear? Okay. Now we are having express the following amount of money in words. So we are going to choose this part, E part, from question number 3. So we are having 46 rupees and 5 paise. So we are going to write in words that is 46 rupees and 5 paise. Okay. So this is our part. Now we have completed all the 3 parts. Now move to our next part, that is question number 4. Here we are having write the value of the following coins in words and figures. Okay. So if we write in figure, we are having this is 2 rupees, just like rupee and 2. If we are going to write the amount in words, we are having 2 rupees. Clear? Then again we are having one part that is 10 rupees, just like this. And if we talk about this, this is 10 rupees. Clear? Now come to our next part. Next is conversion. Okay. So we are going to convert here just like rupees into paise or paise into rupees. Just see. The first method is here that says convert rupees into paise by multiplying by 100, says 1 rupee contains 100 paise. So this method tells me if we are having 1 rupee, this is equals to 100 paise. So if we want to convert rupees into paise, we have to simply multiply it by 100. So if we are having 5 rupees, that means 5 into 100, that is 500 paise we are having. Clear? Next is our second method. It may be observed from the above example that if the dot is removed from this number, we will get 1550, which is the answer as 1550 paise. Okay. We simply remove our dot, so we convert the amount into paise. So these are the 2 methods. The first is you have to multiply it by 100, or you can just remove the dot and write paise. Okay, next we are having our exercise 8B. Okay, here we are in question number 1. Write the following amount of money in paise. Okay, just pick this part. Okay, here we are having 62 rupees, just like 62 rupees and 45 paise. So we have to just remove this dot and this will become 6245 paise. Clear? That is our answer. Okay, now come to question number 2. Convert each of the following into paise. So we are going to use B part here. If we look here, we are having 24 rupees and 10 paise. So we are going to use conversion first method, that is 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. So here we are having 24.10 into 100 and this will become, that is 100 and this is cancelled out by 100. This is 2410 paise as our answer. Clear? Okay. Now move to our next part, that is conversion of paise into rupee. So here we are having conversion. So simply we have to put decimal or dot before two place. Just like this example, we are having 7542 paise, we have to change it 10 rupees. So we have to put a dot after two numbers this way. Clear? From the right hand side. Same way, you have to divide it by 100, choose accordingly. So here we are having 8C exercise and we have question number 1, that is convert the following into rupees and paise. Just pick B part. Here we are having 3740 paise. So we have to change it into rupees and paise. So we will put a dot after two digits from the right hand side. So this will become 37 rupees and 40 paise. Clear? Let's move to our next part, that is an addition of money. So first thing, you have to just convert it or you can just add in which state they are. Okay, so first method says you have to convert the given amount into paise and add all the amount in paise and convert to sum into rupees and paise. First you have to convert them into paise, then add it and then again convert it into rupees and paise. So this is also done, but if we can do it shortly, just like this, we also have to do our question in a short method. Okay, next is add the following amount of money. So here we are having, let's pick question number 1, D part. So here we are having rupees 5.05, 5 rupees 5 paise. Again, this is 65. You have to put decimal before decimal or point, and you have to write the right hand side number in the same place and left side number in the same place. Clear? Okay, next again we are having rupees, so we are going to write 35 on left hand side 0.75. Clear? Remember this pattern, you have to just put all the dots just one by one and write the numbers left on the left hand side and the right one on the right hand side. But there is no change in their places. So now we are going to add these numbers. So 5 plus 5 is 0, carry 1. This is 7 to the 14, 4, carry 1. 5 here 15 plus 1, 16, carry 1. This 6, 9 and this is 10. So this will become 106.40. Clear? Okay. Now we are having our word problem type questions also here. So we will pick question number 3. Okay, the first thing we have to read the question properly. Just read it. Anil got a cricket ball for rupees 42.50, means 42 rupees 50 paise, and a bat for 95 rupees. How much money did they pay to the shopkeeper? So we have to find out the total amount which they have to pay or they paid to the shopkeeper. Okay, let's write the statement first. that is price of cricket ball. Okay, and this is rupees 42.50. Next, we are having price of bat. Okay, we are having a bat for rupees 95. Okay, how much money did he pay to the shopkeeper? Okay, now we have to find out the money paid to the shopkeeper. So we have to just simply add them just like this 0, 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 9 plus 4 is 13, and this is rupees. So they have to pay 0.37 rupees 50 paise to the shopkeeper for these two articles. Okay, now we are going to our next topic, that is a subtraction. Just like we have added the numbers in money form, so we can simply subtract them in the same way we have done in addition. So let's pick some questions for practice. Okay, so first we have exercise 8E, question number 1A part. So students, you have to place them first in column method, just like 64.65. First put a dot before under the dot. Here we are having 28, and on right hand side we are having 74. Now we have to find out the difference, so we have to subtract that. 5 minus 4 is 1, 6 minus 7 not possible. So we are going to carry 1 from here. Here we are having 3. Here we are having 16. 16 minus 7 we are having 9.83 minus it not possible. Again we have to carry from here. That is 6 minus 1 is 5, and here we are having 30. 18 minus 8 we are having 5, and 5 minus 2 is 3. This is rupees. Clear? Okay, fine. Now come to our second part, that is subtract. And there is a word from. So listen it carefully. When we have this type of question, and here we are having from. So we have to use the second part first, just like this is from and this is second part, we have to write it first, just like 62.42. And the first one we have to write under it or below it. So here we are having subtraction part. So again, 2 minus 8 not possible. We will take 1 carry from here. Here we are having 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. Again we have to carry. This is 6. Again we have to carry. This is 5 and this is 1. This is 9 and this is 2. Clear? Okay, fine. So here we are having subtraction part. Okay. Now come to question number 3, subtract. So here we are having different units. The first one is rupees or rupees paise or paise or rupees. So first thing we have to do is conversion part first. Then we will subtract them. Clear? So let's pick question number 3, C part. So here we are having 65 paise from 15 rupees and 30 paise. So let's pick 50 rupees 30 paise first. So we are going to do is just convert it rupees 15 and 30 paise. So we will change it in paise. If we convert, we have to just remove the decimal, and this is 1530 paise. And this is also in paise. Now do the subtraction part, just like 1530 paise and this is 65 paise. If we subtract these two numbers, we are having 5. Here we are having 2 and again carry 4 and 12. This is 6 and 1465 paise. So we can write it just like this also, or we can change them into rupees. 14 rupees and 65 paise. Clear? So this is our method. First you have to convert them and then you have to subtract that. Okay. Then after that we are having our next part. Okay, let's pick question number 5 from here. This is a word problem type question which we have to solve it through statement. Yeah, just listen it carefully and how to frame a statement that is must. Okay, how much amount will be left out of rupees 500 after spending this much? Okay, the first thing we are having that is total money. If we talk about total money, we are having 500 rupees. Clear? Next is spending. So we can write it here, money spent. So we are having here is 325.75. Now we have to find out the remaining money. Okay. So here we are having remaining money. So for this we have to subtract these two values. So we can take carry here 4, 9, 9, 9 and here we are having 10. So we are having 5, 2.471. So this is 174.25 or we can say that 174 rupees and 25 paise. Clear? Okay, now move to our next topic, that is our multiplication part. So here we are having, you have to just multiply the numbers by conversion, converting first or just putting a dot there. Okay, let's pick our exercise, that is 8S. Okay, we are having question number 1 and question number 2 in a similar way. So first thing we will do, I will pick question number 2, B part. Okay, here we are having a number. First thing you have to just write the numbers and multiply it. Okay, just like 2 under 2, 3, 2, 3. Again put a 0, this is 2, 3, 2, 3. So we are having this number. So here is dot after 2 places from right hand side. So we also put a dot here from right to left. So we are having 355 rupees and 52 paise. Okay, now come to our question number 4, which is related to word problem type question. So there is a concept in word problem questions when we have the price of one and we are asked about the price of many articles, just like 5 articles, 7 articles, then we will have to use the concept of multiplication. Clear? So here we are going to solve it. First we have to write the statement. So here the statement, okay, we have to write just like the cost of one watch. If we look about it, that is rupees 525.50. Next is cost of 6 watches. Okay, So cost of 6 watches we are having. So we have to multiply 525.50 into 6. If we multiply, that is 0, 6 5 30 decimal, and this is 3, 6 5 30, 3 again, 3 6 total, 13, 14, 15, carry 1, 6 5 31. So the price of 6 watches is rupees 3,153. Clear? Okay. So students, I hope you have learned all the topics very clearly, and you will practice it about 2 or 1 time after the video. So thank you so much for listening us carefully. See you in next video.